Human colonization of Mars is a complex and challenging goal that involves overcoming a number of technical, financial, and ethical obstacles. Technical challenges include developing the necessary spacecraft and habitats to transport and sustain human life on the Martian surface, as well as finding a way to produce food, water, and oxygen on the planet. The harsh environment of Mars, including its thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and high levels of radiation, also pose significant risks to human health and survival. Financial challenges include the high cost of developing and launching the required technology, as well as the ongoing expenses of maintaining a human presence on the Martian surface. Establishing a sustainable colony will likely require significant investments from both the public and private sectors, as well as international cooperation. Ethical challenges include questions about the allocation of resources for space exploration and colonization at a time when many people on Earth still lack basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term impact that human activity could have on the Martian environment and any potential indigenous life forms. Despite these challenges, several private companies, such as SpaceX, and governments, such as the United States and China, have announced plans to send humans to Mars in the coming decades. These missions are expected to lay the foundation for a sustained human presence on the planet, although it will likely take many years, or even decades, to establish a self-sufficient colony. In addition to the challenges, there are also several scientific questions that need to be addressed before human colonization of Mars can become a reality. For example, researchers need to better understand the Martian environment and geology to determine the best locations for habitats and infrastructure. They also need to learn more about the planet's atmosphere and weather patterns, as well as its potential resources, such as water and minerals. Another key consideration is ensuring the long-term sustainability of a human settlement on Mars. This will require developing new technologies for resource management, waste management, and energy generation. For example, researchers are exploring the use of in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, techniques to extract water and other resources from the Martian environment, rather than relying solely on supplies brought from Earth. Finally, there are also legal and governance issues to be considered. Currently, there is no established legal framework for human activities on Mars, and it is unclear who would be responsible for regulating and overseeing a human settlement on the planet. This will likely require international cooperation and the development of new legal and governance structures. In conclusion, while the goal of human colonization of Mars is ambitious and challenging, it is also an exciting and inspiring prospect. With advances in technology, increased investment, and international cooperation, it may be possible for humans to establish a sustained presence on the Martian surface in the coming decades.
Write your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.